In this video, I'm going to show you how to play original Game Boy, Game Boy Color, and Game Boy Advance games on your Windows PC using the emulator VisualBoyAdvance. Now for the controllers, you can use just a regular PC controller, or you can use certain other consoles controllers. You can check out my videos for that. Let's get started. Alright, first you can follow the link in the video description to VisualBoyAdvance. Then be sure to download the latest version at the top right next to Windows and click download. And wait for it. And it should start downloading automatically. And once it finishes downloading, you'll want to download some Game Boy or Game Boy Advance games, or ROMs, which you can download from sites like coolrom.com or romhustler.net or doperoms.com. I'll be using coolrom.com. Now at the top here, you can browse for games by alphabetical order, or you can browse by genre, like action, adventure, fighting, and so on. You can also browse the top 50 downloaded, or the top 50 rated, and these tend to be the more popular games. And once you've found a game that you want to download, you can just click on the link. There should be two images, like the title screen and the gameplay. And then of course there's a video, some gameplay footage. That's Pokemon Emerald version. Click download now and wait 8 seconds. And click download your file. Then once it's finished downloading, you can exit and go back. You can also look up both Game Boy Advance and like Game Boy Color ROMs by going under the ROM files, and then go down to Game Boy Color or Game Boy Advance. It's basically the same setup. Just click on the game that you want to download. Click on the link. And there's the two images, the title screen and gameplay. Just click download now. And wait 8 seconds. Download your file, and the older Game Boy games should download almost instantly. They're pretty small. And once you've downloaded all the games that you want to download, you can go to the desktop or wherever you downloaded VisualBoyAdvance, and you right click and extract it using WinRAR, which you can also download from the video description. and open the VisualBoyAdvance folder. And there should be the VisualBoyAdvance application. Just run it. Alright, this is VisualBoyAdvance. Under File, you can open from, which I'll come back to that in just a minute. You can also go to Save Game, and it's like Save State, where you can save an exact spot in the game. Then go to Load Game to load it. And you can also pause and reset the game. You can go to Recent, and that'll show like a shortcut to recent games that you've been playing. Then there's also a screen capture option, which can be very useful. Then of course you can close the game or exit the whole emulator. And under Options, you can adjust like the frame skip, if it's laggy, or change the video size, or full screen, or change the layers and all that. And under Emulator, where you can change like just the emulator settings and stuff. And under Sound is where you can, if it gets too buggy, you can mute it or edit the channels or frequency or even the volume. And under Game Boy is where you choose whether it uses Game Boy Colors, just the Game Boy, like whether you're using a Game Boy Advance or Game Boy Color, or the different options. Your priority, you change that to higher or highest. And you can also change the filter, and then very important is the joypad. You configure your controller. This is where you can select the box, and then if you're using a controller, you can press the button on your controller, or you can press the key on your keyboard to set up the controls. Then press OK when you're done. You can also change your language anytime. And for cheats, is you can search for cheats or load cheats, pretty basic. Of course, there's the tools for if you wanted to do the video recording or play it after you record it, or if you make a mistake in the game, you can rewind and try again without going all the way back to the beginning of the level or whatever. So, under Help, of course, you have the help options. So let's get started. File, open, go to wherever your ROMs are. Let's try Pokemon Yellow. for the Game Boy Advance, like Pokemon Emerald. Alright, so there you go. Enjoy your original Game Boy, Game Boy Color, and Game Boy Advance games on your Windows PC. Don't forget to like, leave a comment, share, and subscribe. You can also check me out on my website, Facebook, Twitter, and Google+. Thank you for watching.